Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to import gradient preset, custom gradient preset in Photoshop, and how to add it to more existing gradients you have in your Photoshop app. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure you navigate to your toolbar right here. Go ahead and select your gradient. So having selected your gradient, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top of the gradient property right here. Go ahead and click on your gradient editor to open gradient editor panel, and then here you go. Next thing you want to do right there, by default you have some of your preset gradients right here. Okay, now you can decide to add or import as many as possible gradients into this particular gradient editor. For you to import new gradients, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on import right here. So having clicked on import, then next thing you want to do is to make sure you locate your PSD file of the gradient that you have anywhere you have it on your PC. Go ahead and locate the file and select the file. Once you click on select the file, come down below right there and hit on look, and the gradient is going to be added to your Photoshop, and it's going to be in addition to existing gradients you have in your Photoshop. That's it. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my